I have a demonstration file, and if you look here, you can see its name is demo file, and it's an example of a Word document that I wish to save as a PDF. And this video will show you how to achieve this by exporting the Word file as a PDF file. You click onto File. You can then see here you've got Export. You click onto that and this will appear, at which point you click here where it says Create PDF and you'll get this dialog box appearing. And you can see here there is a path to a folder where the original Word document was saved. Looking to this, you can see it's keeping the same name demo file, but look at the extension and you can see it is PDF. If you look here, the file has been given the name demo file PDF. The file type here is PDF. So pressing on the export has done all the work for you in terms of naming the file and giving it the correct extension. It is then a case of clicking here onto Publish. It's now saved the file in the directory that I showed you a moment ago. And we'll go and have a look at the file in that directory, in that folder. You can see I've gone to the folder that contains the file, and here is the PDF file, and you can see it's called demofile.pdf, and if you look above you can see the original Word file. So the PDF has been saved in the same directory, and this was achieved by exporting the PDF. I will now double click on the PDF file and you can see that it opens. So we have exported the Word file to a PDF file.